Hey up guys, Tasche here. Now, SEnuke TNG Pro is the latest version of the powerful SEnuke software, which has been the top internet marketing SEO software for the past 10 years. Now, even though SEnuke TNG Pro is going to help you get more backlinks, targeted backlinks, powerful backlinks, authority backlinks, better SEO rankings, and more traffic to your money sites than anything else that's ever been created, the challenge though is that it does not do anything to improve your conversions, because all that traffic and rankings is great, but unless your money site is converting, it doesn't do you any good. So what I've done is I'm offering you a special bonus to you when you take action. You grab your copy of SEnuke TNG Pro through my link on this page, and you're actually seeing a demo of this bonus right here in front of your eyes. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm going to offer you the powerful Superjacker software. This powerful software will allow you to create a call to action slide that you can put over any website that you're promoting, whether it's an affiliate link, your own products, a blog post, whatever it is, and will help you increase conversions dramatically. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this over to my friend and the product creator, Brett Ritecki. He's going to do a demo of the software, and I'll be back when he's finished.
Hey guys, Brett here, and in this video I want to give you a quick overview of my cloud-based Superjacker software. So Superjacker is a software that allows you to hijack other people's websites so that way you can steal their content and their authority and use it in your business to build your email list, to sell your own products, or to do affiliate marketing. Let me go ahead and show you exactly how it works. Now, Superjacker is actually broken up into two distinct sections. The first is going to be the My Slides section. In the My Slides section, this is where you build your call to action slides that you're going to put over other people's websites. Let me go ahead and show you how this works right now. So I'm going to go ahead and edit one of my existing slides, and you can see the system is fully drag and drop. In order to add an element into my slide, I simply grab the element widget, drag it inside of the slide, and then I can then add it into my slide. Each element is going to have its own options specific to that element. Once I get the slide built the way I want, with opt-in forms, videos, PayPal buy buttons, buttons to my affiliate links, anything I could possibly want, I can add in here. Once I have it all set up the way I like, I simply click on Save and Exit, and I'm returned to the My Slide section. Over here in the My Jack section is where you actually hijack other people's websites. So let me go ahead and edit one of my test jacks so I can show you exactly how it works. This is very simple. You simply enter in a name for your jack, and this is just for your use only, just so you can remember what it's for. You enter in the website URL that you want to jack. You enter in the type of jack that you want, and there are detailed instructions that explain these two types of jacks and why you would use each one. You enter in a shortcode. Now the shortcode is going to be the URL on our cloud-based server where your jack site is going to show. Simply select the slide that you want to add. I'm going to go ahead and select my first test slide, and optionally I can enter in any type of custom code that I wanted as well. I'm going to go ahead and click on Save Changes, and it's then going to take me back to the My Jack section. So now let's watch what happens when I jack Wikipedia using the Superjacker software. I'm going to go up to my first test, and I'm going to click on Visit Jack. And you can see it's actually showing me the Wikipedia website. But right on cue, 2 seconds into it, it shows my call to action video with my timer and with my call to action button. Go ahead and close this, and it's right back. It's Wikipedia. Also, if I share this site, it's actually going to look just like Wikipedia. It's going to have the Wikipedia meta tags. It's going to have the Wikipedia logo. It's going to look just like it's Wikipedia. Now, in that example, I hijacked the Wikipedia website. And the reason I hijacked Wikipedia is to steal their authority. I wanted to lend their authority to my call to action in the slide that came down. People are going to be much more likely to take action on it because it looks like it's Wikipedia presenting them with that offer. So there's a lot more authority, and they're a lot more likely to do the action that you want them to take. In the example I showed, it was to click a button which would have taken him to a product to buy. But it could have also been an opt-in form. It could have been anything that I wanted. Now that's one way to use the Superjacker software. Another way is to actually hijack affiliate products that you want to promote. So you can put your bonuses and your call to actions right over other people's sales page. As a matter of fact, you might notice that one of these is WP Tag Machine. This is an actual jack that I did for my own business. If I go ahead and I click on the stats, you can see I got 2,233 visitors to this particular jack. And I was also able to make over $3,500 with the Superjacker software by hijacking the sales page for the product that I was promoting and putting a bonus slider over that sales page.
Okay guys, as you can see, Superjacker is a super powerful plugin that's going to help increase your conversions from all the traffic you're going to get from using the SEnuke TNG Pro software. So right now, go ahead, click the Buy Now button on this page, and grab your copy of SEnuke TNG Pro right now, and when you do, you'll instantly get access to the Superjacker software. So guys, with that, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video. See you soon.